Good morning world, no mai, haere mai, and welcome aboard the glass bottom boat Whitianga. My name is Hayley and I am one of the guides ready to take your clients on a 2-hour adventure along the Coromandel coastline. On the tour we explore spectacular volcanic scenery, including the world famous Cathedral Cove, the captivating Champagne Bay, towering rock pinnacles and a variety of sea caves such as Orua Sea Cave, the second largest sea cave in New Zealand. Our fully trained skippers and guides provide a fun and factual commentary, enriched in European and Māori history. But what makes our tour unique and stand out above the rest is that we are the only tour to show you what lies beneath the surface. Look through the panels and see a variety of fish life, stingrays, crayfish, octopus, and on good days, dolphins and orca. We look forward to seeing your guests on board and making sure their tour is the highlight of their Coromandel holiday.